Buffalo police officer Robert Eloff answering civil rights charges in federal court today, a day after an indictment was handed down against him in connection with an incident that took place the night Bill Sager was pushed down a flight of stairs at Molly's Pub. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Dranch in court today.
And Laura, Eloff had little to say in federal court today. He answered the judge's questions, saying he understood the charges but pleaded not guilty to those federal charges. Under this 2-count indictment, Eloff is charged with conspiracy to deprive the civil rights of 2 people, Bill Sager and his best friend Donald Hall. It all stems back, as you mentioned, to May 2014 when Eloff was off duty working security at Molly's Pub. Bill Sager was pushed down the stairs inside the bar by Jeff Basil, the bar manager. Sager was unconscious, dragged outside the bar and handcuffed. Basil ordered Eloff to arrest Sager. Eloff used his department-issued handcuffs to restrain Sager even though he was unconscious, and later he arrested Donald Hall for trespassing, a charge that was later dropped considering the bogus nature of the claim. U.S. Attorney Bill Hochul says that constitutes false arrest.
What the grand jury says is that the violation occurred by restriction of movement, the right to be free from seizure, unreasonable seizure in the words of the Fourth Amendment, and the right to be handled in accordance with due process of law.
Another off-duty Buffalo police officer was also at the bar that night, Adam O'Shea. He too was working security but has not been charged. Hochul says he needs some evidence, some proof that O'Shea knowingly violated the law, and right now that proof simply does not exist. Eloff faces 10 years in federal prison if he's convicted of these 2 counts of federal civil rights violations. He's due back in court in the fall. As for Jeff Basil, the bar manager, he'll be sentenced for manslaughter in state Supreme Court next week. We're live downtown this afternoon, Ed Dranch, 7 Eyewitness News.